Good morning and welcome to Monday's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle. And if you like these insights, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will receive a very steady diet of them every trading market day. The focus today is going to be on Boston properties. In fact, what we are highlighting today is that Toggle noticed that the 50-day, 200-day MACD had just crossed below zero. And historically, whenever this happened, this meant that the correction for the stock had actually finished and it was bullish. In this case, in particular, starting with 91.98, the target is all the way up to 103.90. And so on the basis of 11 similar occasions in the past, when you've had this crossing into negative territory, this is roughly the confidence interval surrounding the possible outcomes in the aftermath. So the median price 103.90, but then the confidence interval sees the price possibly ranging anywhere between 92 and 110. Of course, if it were to dip below 86.02, as you already know, the odds of this paradigm holding would have diminished quite substantially, and this is usually a good point to reevaluate the position in this particular stock. What you see down here is that the occurrence of these patterns actually was quite common a while back. We haven't had one recently, but after this sell-off over here, you've actually seen a meaningful improvement almost every time whenever you've had this kind of a crossing below zero. The final overview, just to take a quick look, is that the risk reward. So this is a chart that I always like looking at because it really does tell you a little bit what the upside is versus the downside. You can see that the upside could be as much as 20%. It has been on some occasions, whereas the downside was squarely contained around 10% or below. So much for Boston properties today. In the daily brief, we also discussed the outlook for small caps that tend to do very well coming out of recessions. So if you have our daily brief, please check it out in your mailboxes. If you don't, you can sign up for it at toggle.global, where you can also test drive the Toggle Copilot. Otherwise, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you again on Tuesday.